Grumpy. It was already a long night. What's the matter? Did you just wake up? With your sister? Careful, don't lean on her arm. Oh, does she make you happy? Did you wake up grumpy? Yeah. Do you feel better now?
Oh, I love her so much. I love her so much.
Gentle.